Scots, I'm Tessa Agerton and welcome back to Scots Weekly. Seniors, we're getting closer and closer to graduation. Yeah, the big day is coming fast. Cap, gown, and finally figuring out how taxes work. But before you walk that stage, we still have some important class announcements here at Highland, so listen up. First up, Scots, as the temperature starts rising, make sure outfits still follow school dress code guidelines. The Dean's Office wants to remind students that all tops must include straps and clothing must be fully covering the midsection. Also, clothing with images or graphics showing guns and violence is not permitted on campus. Save yourself a trip to the Dean's Office and dress for success, Scots. Next up, start clearing those debts and turning in old books and uniforms as soon as possible. Beat the crazy long lines later and handle it now before the checkout day sneaks up on you. Not sure if you owe fines or still have a missing book? Scan the QR code by the library doors to check your status. Or better yet, scan the QR code on your screen right now instead of scrolling on TikTok for the next 20 minutes. And if something looks wrong, now's the time to fix it before senior checkout begins. Finally, starting next Wednesday, yearbook pickup begins after school in room 4F. If you purchase a yearbook, make sure to stop by and grab your copy. Just a reminder, there will be no extra copies sold, only pre-purchased yearbooks will be handed out. Don't miss out, head over to room 4F next Wednesday after school to pick up your yearbook.
Breaking news, Scots.
Highland's future engineers are taking over the library for the 12th annual Project Lead the Way Senior Engineering Trade Show.
Join them on Tuesday, May 19th from 5 to 7 p.m. in the library to check out amazing student-created projects, prototypes, and inventions solving real-world problems.
Meet the engineers, see their designs in action, and support all the hard work they put in this school year.
Stop by anytime between 5 and 7 and see innovation happening right here at Highland.
And now we're heading to a quick commercial break. We'll be right back.
Seniors, tickets for Senior Sunset and Senior Breakfast are on sale now at the Finance Office. Sale ends on May 15th. You must have your student ID or your student be logged in and ready before coming to the Finance Office.
Attention seniors, senior checkout is coming up on May 22nd, and that means it's time to start getting cleared for graduation.
Each senior will receive an individual clearance card that must be completed in order to participate in commencement.
Students must complete the clearance process by obtaining signatures from the following departments: Chromebook and charger return, Mr. Ross, Library; books and textbooks, Mrs. Kinder, Library; athletics equipment, Mr. Knight or Mr. Flinch. Finance office must be visited after all previous items are completed. Graduation contact, Lupe, counseling office.
Reminder, once all signatures are complete, students must visit Vanessa and the Finance Office for final clearance.
Scots, all signatures may only be collected before school, after school, or during lunch.
Students will not be allowed to clear items during class time.
Completed clearance cards must be turned into your counselor during senior checkout on May 22nd.
And one last thing, don't lose your cards.
Stay on top of it. Seniors, graduation is almost here.
It's already been a hard day, bro. I can't take it.
Yo, Jew, bro. What do you got on your face right now, bro?
Bro, what?
Oh my gosh. And then you're wearing the turtleneck under? Bro, it's 80 degrees outside with a sweater? What are we doing, Jew?
What's up with what I'm wearing, bro? Look at what you wearing.
Hey, what'd you say about me?
Hey, Scots, if you ever been in a situation like this, don't sit there and record. Go help. Go call for security.
Welcome back, Scots, and by now you already know what time it is. It's time for sports.
What's up, Scots? I'm Luke Parr.
And I'm Adrian Quadras. Welcome back to Congratulations to 3 of our outstanding basketball players for earning all-area honors.
Nehemiah Crony was named All-Area Second Team,
while RJ Davenport and Eric Tellis both earned all-area honorable mention recognition.
Great job, Scots. Massive shout out to our swimming valley champions: Bridget Briley, Nate Gonzalez, Michael Fox, Jaden Ehret, Juan Pablo Meldoza, Zane Rod, Delani Dotson, and Ian Duarte.
And congratulations to both the boys and girls swim team for earning second place overall, helping Highland finish highest combined team score at Valley.
Volleyball tryouts begin Monday, May 26th, right after school, from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Tryouts will continue May 27th through May 29th after finals from 2 to 4 p.m.
Remember, all online paperwork and your sports physical must be completed before you can try out, no exceptions.
Good luck to everyone trying out and get ready for next season. The Highland softball program is officially the South Yosemite Valley League champs.
A huge congratulations to our varsity team for an incredible season and for bringing home the league title.
Shout out to JV and Frostsoft for their hard work, dedication, and representation of Highland pride all season long.
Scots, if you see any of our softball players or coaches on campus, make sure you congratulate them on the amazing year.
Stay locked in, stay involved, and keep showing that Highland pride. And always remember to plat up.